विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म
साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
गुरु गोविंदो खड़े काके लागू पाँव भलारी गुरुआ ने गोविंदियो बताए। थैंक यू।
Very nice.
Very good, Nitya. Thank you, beta.
Thank you, Ansh. Thank you, Jay. नमो सेतारं नमो आयनारं नमो अर्चारं नमो लोहे सव्य साहुणं ऐसो वंचिणमोकारो सव्य पाहि प्रणाम मंगलानं च सव्यसि पद्मम हवै मंगलम् पद्मम हवै मंगलम् पद्मम हवै मंगलम्.
Today is an auspicious day, and today we are gathered here to pay homage to a very, very special person. A very special person in the life of all of us associated with modern school. Because he was the founder chairman of the modern school group and also the late president of Digambar Jain Society of Child Welfare. He was born in 1938, and after doing his masters, he went along and did his PhD in Ayurveda and medicine. Very early in age, he understood that he wanted to serve the nation, the society, and make a meaningful contribution in the future of our country. Working towards it, he came across many politicians and leaders of his time. However, very soon he realized that philanthropy was his calling and education was his way. Thus, he founded the Digambar Jain Society of Child Welfare. He believed in the philosophy that if you give money to a person, the person survives for one day. But if you give education to a person, you have given him means for his entire life. And today, we are proud to have 6 schools under the aegis of Digambar Jain Society of Child Welfare. He believed in philanthropy, he believed in servitude, he believed in serving. And thus, we, as all of us together, we need to take his vision forward. Children, please remember, you are a part of a greater cause. You are a part of a greater being. And thus, it is your responsibility to take this great legacy forward. Please remember, wherever he is today, and in our culture, we do believe that one survives death also and keeps looking upon us from up there. So he must be looking at us from up there. Make him proud. Believe in servitude, serve the nation, serve the country. And how will you do it? By doing what you do the best way you can do it. If you are a student, be the best student. If you are an artist, be the best artist. If you are a teacher, be the best teacher. If you are a leader, be the best leader. And thus, he will take his legacy forward. You will take the legacy of modern school forward, which is Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. Thank you, all of you. Sir has been survived by 2 sons and a daughter. Let us make him proud. Jai Hind.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today, I, Krishna Arya of Class 8, EMSA House, is going to pay my gratitude towards our Honorable Chairman, Sir, late Shri S.E. Jain, sir. When I'm gone, release me, let me go. I have so many things to see and do. You must not tie yourself to me with tears. Be happy that we had so many years. I gave you love, you can only guess how much you gave me in happiness. I thank you for the love each have shown, but now it is time I traveled alone. So grieve a while for me if grieve you must, then let your grief be comforted by trust. It is only for a while that we must part, so bless those memories within your heart. I will not be far away, for life goes on. So if you need me, call and I will come. Though you cannot see or touch me, I will be near. And if you listen to your heart, you will hear all of my love around you, soft and clear. Then when you must come this way alone, I will greet you with a smile and a welcome home. Thank you.
Determination is the key to success. No one personify this better than our late chairman, sir. A very good morning to everyone. I am Pakhi Saxena. A value which we can learn from our late chairman, sir, is determination. Determination is a great motivating force. It motivates us to dream bigger and achieve higher. Sir inspired us to keep moving even after facing failures. Tony Robbins rightly said, determination is the wake-up call to the human will. If we are determined, hardworking, and consistent, nothing can stop us from achieving our goals. Which is similar to our late chairman, sir. He was a determined person, and so he was successful in establishing learning academies. Henry Longfellow rightly said, there is no other way to succeed in anything, and that is to give it everything. So, we should all inherit the greatest value of determination in ourselves and make Sir proud. Thank you.
A butterfly is a magical symbol of great transformation to come. It is a reminder that our current reality is to be experienced, so that we may grow together to change for the better. We accept and embrace these changes while keeping our faith in the end result. Thank you.
दे, मांगने की दरगाह हरी नहीं, बिन मांगे हमें सब कुछ देते, मांगने की दरगाह हरी नहीं, सब कुछ आपका अब तो मेरा, हम पर आपका साया है, इस छाया में आपका हमने बेहद का सुख पाया है, बेहद का सुख पाया है। याद तुम्हारी कितनी प्यारी, शीतल सी छत्र छाया है, इस छाया में आपका हमने बेहद का सुख पाया है, बेहद का सुख पाया है। थैंक यू।
Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all the parents who are with us on this special occasion, special day, remembering our beloved Chairman sir. Though I didn't get any chance to meet him personally, but his vision and mission we are working on, and I think that being a chairman of a school when it started, and today we are 6 schools in number with thousands of students who are taking that legacy forward to go to the vision of, or take the vision to the heights of Ahimsa Paramo Dharma, which is our motto, and live life properly, live life to the full. That can only be achieved by proper education, and this is the philanthropic job or work or hobby of great people. SD sir was an epitome of love, affection, vision, and once I think I have met him, and still after so many years I remember his face, and immediately you get that vibe, positive vibe coming from his picture till date. I request all the parents, all the students, and all the other people who are watching today that remembering him is not only the thing, remembering his vision and looking forward and moving forward on that is more important. So let's pray and pledge that we will try our best to achieve that goal. Thank you. Have a good day.
Please offer the floral tribute to Sir.
Thank you so much, students. Have a good day.